Hello friends, in previous video we see some multiple choice question on the topic internal organization of plant. In this video we also seen some multiple choice question on the topic of histology and anatomy of flowering plant. So the next question is, which of the following is the correct sequence of tissue present in dicot stem during secondary growth? First it is phalogen, cork, primary cortex, secondary cortex, then cork, primary cortex, secondary cortex, phalogen. Third it is the primary cortex, cork, phalogen, secondary cortex, cork, phalogen and primary cortex. So first, which of the following is the correct sequence of tissue present in the dicot stem during secondary growth? Is the primary cortex, cork, phalogen and secondary cortex is the correct answer. Next question, which of the following are not true? First it is the cork cambium is otherwise called phalogen, cork is otherwise called phylem, secondary cortex is otherwise called periderm, and last it is the cork cambium, cork and secondary cortex are collectively called phaloderm. The correct option is secondary cortex is otherwise called periderm, and the cork cambium, cork and secondary cortex are collectively called phaloderm. That is the third, it is the correct option. Next question, which of the following statement about phaloderm are true? It is a living tissue, it is concerned with the conduction of water and salt, it is a photosynthetic tissue. First, second and third are correct, only first and second are correct, only second and third are correct, only first and third are correct. The correct answer, it is the only first and third are correct, that is phaloderm are living tissue and third it is the photosynthetic tissue. Companion cells are usually seen associated with fibers, tracheids, vessels and sieve tubes. So the companion cells are usually seen associated with the sieve tubes is the correct answer. Next question, in a plant organ which is covered by periderm and in which the stomata are absent, some gaseous exchange still takes place through parenchymas, trichomes, pneumatophores and lenticels. The correct option is the lenticels. Next question, it is, which is the correct sequence of the following? Xylem, cambium, medulla, second it is cambium, xylem, cortex, third it is cortex, endodermis, pericycle, xylem, and last it is none of these is correct. So the correct sequence, it is the cortex, then endodermis, then pericycle and xylem. Next question, it is a simple tissue with mechanical and physiological function in a dicotyledonous plant is parenchyma, second it is the collenchyma, third it is the sclerenchyma and fourth it is the meristematic tissue. The correct answer, it is the collenchyma. The next question, it is the vessels occurs in all angiosperm, all gymnosperm and some pteridophytes, all angiosperm and some gymnosperm. Third it is the most angiosperm and few gymnosperm, and last it is the all pteridophytes. So the correct answer, it is vessel occur in most angiosperm and few gymnosperm. Next question is, vascular cambium is considered as lateral meristem. First, it gives rise to lateral shoots. First it is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true and R is not correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. Next, A is false but R is true. The correct option, A is true but R is false. That is, vascular cambium is considered as a lateral meristem. The next question, when phloem and cambium are present in both sides of xylem, the vascular bundle is called as concentric. Then second it is the radial, third is the bicollateral and fourth it is the collateral. The correct option, it is bicollateral. Thank you. In this way we see some multiple choice question on the topic of internal organization of plants, that is the subtopic, it is the anatomy and histology of the flowering plant. Thank you.